Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 9 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 48 on theory of equations. In particular, today we are going to discuss the conditions of HP. If the roots are in HP, how to solve the problem we are going to look into. Now let us start with the first question. If the roots of 15x cube minus kx square plus 9x minus 1 is equal to 0 are in HP, then the value of k is. Here we have a condition: if the roots of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0 are in harmonic progression HP, then the condition is 2c cube plus 27ad square is equal to 9bcd. This condition is to be satisfied. This is one of the ways. Otherwise, if this equation is representing roots which are in HP, then its reciprocal. If you find out the equation f1 by x is 0, means the equation whose roots are reciprocal to the given roots, f1 by x is 0, then we get the condition wherein the roots are in AP. Then AP condition we can use and solve. That is another way. If you want to solve directly, this is the way. 2c cube plus 27ad square is 9bcd. In the given equation, a, b, c, d values we have to identify and we have to substitute them in this given condition. Thereby, you can get the unknown value k. Okay, let us try to do that. Here, if you look at a is equal to 15, b is minus k, c is 9, d is minus 1. Okay, now let us substitute. That implies 2c cube, 2 into c cube, that is 9 cube, plus 27ad square, what is a? 15. D square is nothing but minus 1 square, is equal to 9 into bcd. B is minus k, c is 9, d is minus 1. Fine. Now, that is otherwise 2 times of, this is 9 cube is 81 times of 9, let me write like that, plus 27 into 15. Here minus 1 square is nothing but 1. So 1 time 15 into 27 is 27 into 15 itself. So let me write it as 27 into 3, that is 81 times of 5. Because the other side you are going to have multiple of 81, 81k. So throughout, if I cancel 81, what is k for us? We are going to have the k value as, here it is 2 9s are 18, plus here it is 5. That is nothing but 23. The value of k is 23. How? Here it is this 81, this 81, this 81 I can cancel. Because if I divide with 81, these two 81s will cancel. Remaining what we have, 9s are 18 plus 5, that is 23. So the value of k is how much? 23. 23 is nothing but third option. Okay. So now let us move to the next question. If the roots of 3x cube minus 22x square plus 48x minus 32 is equal to 0 are in HP, then what are the roots? Okay, now let me take this as fx. Fx is equal to, let us take this as fx. Fx is 3x cube minus 22x square plus 40x 8x minus 32. Okay, if you want to find out the equation whose roots are reciprocal to that of f of x is equal to 0, what is that? F of 1 by x is 0. If at all the roots of f of x are in HP, certainly the roots of f of 1 by x is equal to 0 will be in AB. Then we can use the conditions of AB and solve it. So that's what I am trying to do in this case. Now let us write out f of 1 by x. That is equal to, it is nothing but 3 by x cube. So I can write it as 3 minus 22x plus 48x square minus 32x cube is 0. Okay, that is otherwise we can write it as 32x cube minus 48x square plus 22x minus 3. We are multiplying both the sides of equality with minus sign. So here, if the roots of f of x is equal to 0 are in HP, then the roots of f1 by x is equal to 0 will be in AB. This is very important change. This transformation I am doing. If they are in AB, what I am trying to do is let a minus b, a plus d be the roots of f1 by x is 0. we are taking f1 by x as roots as a minus d, a plus d. So if we add up, that is becoming 3a is equal to, here sum of the roots, in this case is nothing but 48 by 22. That is nothing but 3 upon here 2. Therefore, a we can take as 1 by 2. What is a here? A is one of the roots of f of 1 by x is 0. So, a is going to satisfy this equation, f of 1 by x is 0. So, a can be one of the roots. A can be one of the roots. If a is equal to 1 by 2 is root of it, certainly a is equal to, that is 2 will be the root of 3x cube minus 22x square plus 40x minus 32 is 0. Here a is equal to 1 by 2 is root of f of 1 by x is 0. So its reciprocal is 2. 2 will be the root of this equation. That's what I am going to use. Now, as x is equal to 2 is a root of f of x is equal to 0. Let us use Harmos division here. So 3 is minus 22, 48 minus 32. 0 to take 3 plus 0, that is 3, 2 3s are 6, minus 16, 3, 2 into minus 16 is nothing but minus 32, this is 16 again, 2 16s are 32, if we add up these two, we are going to have the result as 0, fine. Now what is the quotient now? Quotient is equal to 3x square minus 16x plus 16, that is of course 0. If you factorize it, 3x square, 3 16s are 18, 3 16s are sorry, 48. 48 at the same way you have to get minus 16. What to take? 4 into 12. 4 12s are 48. So minus 4 minus 12. So that is 3x square minus 12x minus 4x plus 16 is 0. That implies 3x times of x minus 4 minus 4 times of x minus 4 is 0. That is otherwise x minus 4 times of x minus 4 0. Therefore x is equal to either 4 or 4 by 3. 4 and 4 by 3, these are the two values of x. These are the two roots, and one more root is already x is equal to 2. So therefore the three roots of the given equation are 2, 4, 4 by 3. 2, 4, 4 by 3 is nothing but second option. That is the right answer. So what is the process we did here? We assume the given as f of x is 0. To find out one of the roots, what technique we applied is we found out the transformed equation in such a way that reciprocal roots equation f of 1 by x is 0. Thereby we found out some of the roots, thereby I got a value. A is one of the roots of f of 1 by x is 0. With that, for f of x is 0, one of the roots I got as x is 2. Then Harmos method I applied, simplification is done. Then in the factorization process, I could able to get other values of x as 4 and 4 by 3. So finally we got the roots as 4, 2 and 4 by 3. That is nothing but the second option the given. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. Here also same thing, the roots are in HP, the roots are similar question. So what to write now? This is fx, let me take. This is fx0. Then what is f of 1 by x is 0? That is, let me write it as x cube minus 9x square plus 26x minus 24 is 0. Directly I am writing. Fine. Now if you look at, so sum of the roots, that is 3a. Already we took in the earlier example a minus d a plus the same thing here also we apply. So sum of the roots is 3a. 3a is nothing but 9 here. That implies a is equal to 3. So a is equal to 3 is the root of f1 by x is 0. Means it is x for 1 by f of 1 by x. What is the root for? The given fx is 0, 1 by 3 obviously. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 3 is a root of fx is 0. Then to find out the other roots, what is the method we apply? Harmos synthetic division. Now x is 1 by 3 of course. We have 24 minus 26, 9 minus 7. It is 0, this is 24. 1 by 3 times of 24 is nothing but 8. So this is minus 18. 1 by 3 times of minus 18 is nothing but minus 6. So this is 3. 1 by 3 times of 3 is 1. So this will cancel. Fine. Now what is the quotient now? Quotient is 24x square minus 18x plus 3, that is 0. So 24 into 3, that is 17. So of course here 3 is common. Let us make it simple. So it is 8x square minus 6x plus this is 1 is 0. So 8, 6 means we can write 8x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 1 is 0. Okay, if you further simplify in these two, we can take 4x common. 4x if you take common, we have here 2x minus 1. In these two, if you take minus common, we have minus of 2x minus 1. That is 0, of course. That implies 2x minus 1 times of 4x minus 1 is 0. Therefore, x is either 1 by 2 or 1 by 4. So these are the two other roots of x. Already we have got compute of x as 1 by 3. The rest of the two values are 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So the roots of the given equation are 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 is nothing but first option. So that is the right answer. Okay? Hope you understand this concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.